Hey there! In today's video, we have an interesting problem to tackle. The issue at hand involves transforming specific lines from a file into a different format. These lines consist of timestamps that need to be adjusted and reformatted to a new structure. It's a common dilemma when working with data that requires reformatting and adjusting specific elements for better readability and comprehension. Let's dive into the details and find a solution for this problem. Now, let's delve into the solution for our problem. The initial step involves utilizing a codeawkcode command that employs a pattern matching mechanism to extract and rearrange the timestamp components. By defining the output field separator as a colon, the command effectively rearranges the timestamp elements and formats them according to the desired structure. This first approach demonstrates a systematic method of parsing and reorganizing the timestamp data to achieve the desired format. Expanding on our solution, we introduce a more concise approach using the code FLDWIDT scope parameter within the codeawkcode command. By specifying the field widths corresponding to each timestamp element, the command can efficiently break down the input lines into distinct components. With the output field separator set as a colon, the command then constructs the reformatted timestamps by rearranging the segmented elements. This approach streamlines the reformatting process by directly defining the field widths and output structure, resulting in a succinct and effective solution. To recap, we've explored two distinct methods for transforming and reformatting timestamp data from file. The initial approach utilizes pattern matching to extract and rearrange timestamp components, while the second method leverages field widths for efficient segmentation and formatting. By adapting these solutions to your specific requirements, you can successfully restructure timestamp data to enhance readability and usability. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any coding challenges you'd like us to tackle next. Happy coding!